Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create YouTube thumbnail with the free version of Canva. Okay, you're not going to pay anything. All right, you're just going to be using the free version of Canva to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos. You heard me right. You're not going to pay any amount. You're just going to use the free version to just edit existing templates, and create wonderful and stunning YouTube thumbnails for your video, so that you can upload, and your stunning thumbnails can attract a lot of viewers for your videos. All right, it's very easy to do and simple to do. Okay. All right. To do that, you need a Canva app. Just head on to your Play Store or App Store and then download Canva. Then you open it, and of course, it will prompt you to log in. You can just log in with your email address. That's your Google account. Just log in with your Google account so that you can start designing. I'm logged in already, as you can see. So just log in with your Google account, and once you do that, just head on to the search bar up there. Okay, you can see other templates down here. Okay, depending on what you want to do. Maybe you are not a YouTuber, you just want to design something, maybe a logo. You can still use the free version. You see different templates. For example, look at this logo here. You can just click on it. If you like it, you want to customize it, you want to change it to your own, just click on it like this. And once it opens, you can change the text. For example, let's say I'll change this to, let's say, BTV Media. Okay. So the idea is just for you to edit. Canva gives you templates, several templates where you can edit and make that design yours. It's very simple. And that's why everybody loves Canva. It is easy to use. Even if you don't have design knowledge, you can just pick up Canva and design something wonderful. So let's say I put BTV Media, YouTube, let's say course, BTV Media YouTube course. That should be fine, right? Or okay, let's put course. Let's put course. I see. And that's it. We have a beautiful design there. You can go ahead and change colors if you want. Let me make it free course. You can go ahead and change design, I mean the colors and all of that. But for me, I have something nice already. So just go up there and hit on that download button, and it's going to download the design and save it on your phone. We didn't spend up to 2 minutes for this, and we are done. You have a brand new logo. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Okay. So that's for logo or for flyer. It's as simple as that. Just go look for the template you want, and just edit it, and you are good to go. That's that. And when you open it up on your gallery, you're going to see the design right there. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, so let's head back to Canva. Then let's design our YouTube thumbnail. All right. So for YouTube thumbnail, the way I do it is when you open your Canva app like this, just head up there to the search bar and search for YouTube. All right, and search. You can search YouTube thumbnail, but if you can just use YouTube, it will still give you what you need. So then scroll down and look for a free um design. Okay, you can see the ones that are paid. You see the icon below it, pro. You can see the pro below some of them, so don't go for the pro. You can see the pro there, don't go for those ones. Just use the one that doesn't have that pro. Those are the free designs. Avoid the pro ones. Okay. These are YouTube thumbnails. These ones are long like this. Okay. So just look for the design you like, then open it and you start customizing it to your taste. Change the image, change the text, color. Just do it the way you want. Let me just scroll up and use this particular one right here. This profitable trading strategy design. I think I like that. I'm just going to click it and it will open. Okay. And I'm going to change this picture right here. Okay. And before you do that, you need to know how to remove background. So open your browser and go to BG remove. Just search BG remove and go to this website here. That's remove.bg. So when it opens, just click on upload image and upload the image. Let me use this my image for example. Once you upload it, it's going to automatically remove the background. Then you click on download down here. You can look below, you see download. Click on it and you can see voila, it has been downloaded. So when you come to the design, click on that image section. When you click on that, look below here, you will see replace. Tap on replace. Then you select the one you removed background. The image you removed the background. All right. Okay, this is it. So just adjust it so that it can fit in. I will double click to enter inside the image so that I can adjust it down. Okay. Let me just bring it up a little. So it's just about adjustments. Okay. Just play around it until you have something beautiful for you. Okay. All right. I'm just going to leave it like this. So for the right top, for the right top section, I'm just going to change. I'm just going to change it to, let's say, create. I'm just going to write something. Okay, it doesn't matter. Maybe create simple YouTube thumbnails. Okay, create simple YouTube thumbnail. Let me just make this create simple a little smaller. So you can use the edges. Just click on the edge and make it smaller. Position well. Try and position it well. Okay. All right. So I'll click on this and click on duplicate it. To do that, you click on that icon when you select it, and it's going to duplicate. Then let me write something like let's say, let me write for free. Okay, and I have to make it small. Yeah, I'll click the edge and drag it down to make it small. I think I'll just use white. So go to the element section and I'll look for a rectangle. Yeah, I will adjust the rectangle. Let me adjust it. So so the idea is I want to have something under that for free. So I'll just give it a red color and I'll drag it under it. Okay, just like that. You mustn't do something like this, but I just want to have something like that there, and my design is ready. So we'll just go ahead and download this thumbnail. Just look up there, you see the download icon, and click on it, and it's going to be downloaded. And the good thing about it is that the recommended size, the template is in the recommended size, so you don't have to start cracking your head over the size of the thumbnail and all of that. So it's just perfect. So you can just open your gallery and see your stunning design. So beautiful. Yeah, thank you for watching. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this thumbnail you have created. After creating a thumbnail, how to put it in your videos perfectly. I'm going to be showing you that. So subscribe if you are new, turn on the notification bell. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.